So I'd say we're complete with the caulking here. I still have some over on this other side to do. I have to go get another tube. So I'm going to give this some time to set, and then in the meantime I'll start removing some slate and replacing them. And then I'd like to start priming in about a half an hour, because some of this is totally dry, so I could actually start priming now, but I'll give it a little bit of time because all this is ready too. This should be good and already set. So I did look back. It was about 6 years ago that I had done some of this, and at first I wasn't going to caulk these, but I noticed I did on the others, so I'm doing it on these too. And look really good primed. And then I don't know if I'm going to try to paint it or not. I think I will try to get the colors on here. It's late in the year, but I might have time to get all the colors in here, so that'd be great if I can. Okay, let's go get some more caulking, and then we'll work on some slate, replacing some slate.